Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am an insurance agent in California, and when I'm not working hard, I like to create videos on topics of insurance, finance, and share other useful stuff, and I hope that this content is helpful to you guys. The general open enrollment for health insurance is over, but the tax season is ahead of us. And if you thought that the health insurance is hard and you're looking forward to the tax season, then let me tell you this. The forms IRS Form 1095A and FTB 3895 are two more forms that you will need to process when filing your taxes if you had health insurance on the marketplace and received subsidies last year. If you don't want to deal with all this, you can hire a rock star accountant and let them deal with this. But if you are doing taxes yourself using TurboTax or any other platform, or if you want to stay on top of things, then you may want to watch this video to get all your questions answered about the IRS Form 1095A and Form FTB 3895. So let's start with some basics. IRS Form 1095A is an important federal tax document that serves as proof of health coverage for individuals to claim the premium tax credit, reconcile any advanced premium tax credit received, and file an accurate tax return. The amount displayed on the IRS Form 1095A reflects how much was paid to Covered California health insurance companies to help with the cost of your health coverage. This also serves as proof of minimum essential coverage. The Form FTB 3895 is a state tax document that basically shows the same information, confirming that you had health insurance coverage, received or did not receive any premium assistance subsidy, state subsidy and it will help you reconcile any advanced state subsidy received and file an accurate tax return to avoid paying the state individual mandate penalty. The amount displayed on the Form FTB 3895 reflects how much was paid to Covered California health insurance companies to help with the cost of your health insurance coverage. Now, please note that the IRS Form 1095A and Form FTB 3895 is generated for each enrolled plan except minimum coverage plans, regardless of if it was APTC, state subsidies, if that was applied. So here's some important information to help you make sense of all this healthcare and tax mambo jumbo. You should receive your IRS Form 1095A and Form FTB 3895 from Covered California or your health insurance carrier if you apply directly by January 31st. If you haven't received these forms by mail, you may have received it via email. If you haven't received it at all and you're in California, feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you access the form. You will need these forms when completing your taxes. If you don't have health insurance, you won't have this form, and therefore you may be paying a state penalty when filing your taxes. The penalty is either 2.5% of your adjusted gross income or $750 per person, and half of that for a child. Now, here's also something very important. If you received these forms, but you believe that the form shown is incorrect, information on the form is incorrect, you can complete the request to correct with dispute tax forms. I will have a link under this video. Once you submit this request, it will be investigated within 30 days of receiving your dispute, and you will receive the corrected tax forms if necessary. Now, keep in mind that sometimes an IRS Form 1095A or Form FTB 3895 might look incorrect but not have a mistake. For example, if you didn't pay your monthly premium and your health plan ended, then a zero will be applied for each month you did not pay. This will happen even if you got financial help listed in coverage information section, column C on both forms during those months. It's also possible that your tax forms show that you did not get any financial help during the year. If so, the coverage information section
now, the most
column
important
C
thing,
will
the
be
subsidy
blank or
displayed in the
zeros.
forms
This could
is
happen
based
because
on
you
the
did not
estimated
apply for
income that you
financial
included
help,
when
or
you applied
did
for
not
health
qualify
insurance.
when you
This
first
is
applied.
very, very
For
hard
example,
to get
your income
correctly.
did
I
not
mean,
meet
you are
income
asked
levels,
on
or
January
you were
1st
eligible
what your
for other
income
health
will be
insurance.
for the
This is
rest
one
of the
them,
year.
because
How
some
would
of
you
the
know,
reasons.
right? Unless you have a crystal ball, you can either overestimate or underestimate your income. If you overestimated your income at that time, well, too bad, you've overpaid for your health insurance. If you underestimated your income, then too bad, you have to pay back the difference in premium. And these forms are exactly for that purpose, to reconcile all these subsidies. In the description of this video, I will have a link to my blog with detailed information on this topic, and will have the repayment limits for your information. So I think that is all for today. If you have questions about this or need help accessing the forms in the Covered California, please feel free to reach out. I will help with that. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I will appreciate if you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This will help me be found on YouTube. Thank you and stay healthy.